Delivering business SMS sounds simple, but traditional SMS providers can make it challenging. Undelivered messages, slow SMS delivery, hidden charges, and lack of global reach. It's an uphill battle that can't be won. And when you try to automate the process, tedious and hard to integrate APIs make it impossible. On top of that, the lack of customer support can be frustrating, leaving you feeling alone, overwhelmed, and disconnected from your customers. Sending SMSs should not be that hard. So we fixed it, introducing SMSCountry, a simple, fast, and reliable SMS platform and API backed with responsive customer support. So you can delight your customers and keep them engaged via text, voice, or WhatsApp. Built on the back of 200 plus carriers worldwide, your messages get delivered in less than 3 seconds, and our powerful API gets integrated to your website, mobile application, or CRM within 30 minutes. So you can set up, schedule, and automate your messaging easily. And the best part, unlike other messaging platforms that cater to only larger brands, SMSCountry is built for businesses of all sizes. Whether you want to send 100 SMS per month or 100,000 SMSs per day, SMSCountry is covered you. With simple pay-as-you-go pricing, no hidden charges, no strange billing. When you need help, you always have a dedicated account manager to help you ensure smooth message delivery to your customers, as well as an army of customer support agents to hold your hand and help you for as long as you use SMS in your businesses. Our customers use SMSCountry to verify users with OTP SMS, notify customers with transactional SMS, and generate leads with promotional SMS. And when not sure how to write their SMS, they simply copy and paste our SMS templates tailored to their specific industry. That's why they can't stop loving SMSCountry or using our platform. So stop waiting and sign up with SMSCountry for free today, or schedule a free demo with one of our experts. Start delighting your customers with SMSCountry's fast and reliable SMS service.